Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are using Viber on your iPhone and you have noticed the app running slower or taking up too much space, it might be time to clear its cache. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear the cache in Viber in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First of all, find the Settings app on your home screen. Now click on it. Once you are in the Settings app, go on to the General. Now click on it. Now find the iPhone storage and click on it. Now scroll down and find the Viber app and click on it. Here you can find the Offload app option. Now simply click on it and again click on to Offload app. This will clear the cache of the Viber. Now you have to reinstall app. Now click on to reinstall app. After the reinstallment of the app, the cache will be cleared now. Now your Viber will run a little smoother. And that's it. This is how you clear the cache on Viber app in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.